The custom of players walking onto the pitch single file would appear to have started with the introduction of the cinematograph. The Wolves team leave the Preston North End changing rooms. Prominent players on view include the Wolves goalkeeper Tommy Lunn wearing the flat cap. He made his debut in the team in the 1904-05 season. Preston North End, led out by their long-serving Scottish international Peter McBride. Described by contemporaries as the Prince of Goalkeepers and one of the finest custodians in the net, he played for Preston until his retirement in 1912. He was capped 6 times for Scotland. The Preston mascot poses for the camera before the film cuts to the action. Preston's magnificent stadium was one of the more developed grounds at the time, and we get glimpses of the new Town End stand, which only opened weeks before. The grandeur of this stand is in contrast to the open terraces also shown. The crowd grew from 6,000 to 8,000 during the first half. The game finished 2-2, with Wolves scoring 2 goals in the last 10 minutes of the match.